So I've restored a lot of... Oh, sorry. Hey guys, welcome to the 4th episode of Roblox Game Development. Now, as I was saying, I've restored a lot of the settings of lighting and the message to get it back to the default a little bit. It's a little bit different because I can't remember the exact color of lighting, but it doesn't matter. You guys can choose any color you want. So, in this tutorial, I want to go over a little bit more of our development environment. And I'm going to go over this toolbar area up top. It's a lot of stuff, right? A lot of buttons. Most of them you have no clue what they do because the images are misleading, especially like this one, which I'll explain what that does later, and this one, and a lot of them are misleading, right? Yeah, agreed. I I was terrified of using Roblox Studio when I first started trying it out, but it's so much better, so much more powerful than the build mode. Okay. So, let's go over here just to the basics up here. You guys got this in all kinds of programs. File opens up a menu. You can make a new one, which is a new game, which will not actually be on Roblox, but it can be saved to your computer. So you can move it from computer to computer and not lose it by possibly getting banned or losing your password on Roblox or stuff like that. You can open a project that's on your computer. You can close the one you're in right now. You can save the one you are in right now to your computer, save it as a new file, publish it to Roblox, which means update the game or make a new game on your profile. Remember, you have to be BC to have more than one active place. Excuse me. You can save the selection as a model, and I'll explain selections later. You can publish selection to Roblox, which is basically it saves selection as model, saves it to your computer, puts it to Roblox. Print, never used, no clue what it prints. I'm guessing it prints a picture of what you're looking at right now. I don't honestly know. So we'll skip all this print stuff. This opens up your recently viewed, 3 most recently edited places, and this closes the entire program. Edit, undo what you've done. You can hit Control Z for that. Control Y to redo if you've undone something. Cut, like cut, copy, paste. It just cuts it, but also puts in your clipboard to copy it. Copy, copies it to your clipboard without deleting it. Paste will paste something from your clipboard to whatever you are using. Clear will Clear will just delete something and not put it to your clipboard. You can hit delete for it. Clear is a bad term for it. I would call it delete or remove, but okay, it's not my choice. Select all. It selects everything in your workspace. Duplicate, copies something, and pastes it right away in one swift keyboard stroke. Find and replace is used for scripting. Script is used for scripting. Lock is used for bricks, and we'll go over that more. Unlock all is used for bricks as well. I've never used these because there's an actual tool for it that makes it easier. View, start page. That'll take you to the Roblox start page. Toolbox. The toolbox is actually this little button over here, but it pops up to actually be your insert menu as it used to be called. Not sure what they call it now. Apparently the toolbox. Explorer lets you view this. Then there's properties, which is this. Then there's output, which is this. And I'll go over output when we get to scripting. Diagnostics, which is really complex and it shows you how your game's running. Scripts and task scheduler, again, pretty advanced. I've never touched them. Game layout, don't touch it. Full screen, that just puts the whole thing in full screen. Open screenshots folder, opens your screenshots folder from screenshots you've taken on Roblox. Videos, same thing but for videos. Toolbars, standard, edit, auto join, camera, command, test. That opens all of these different toolbars as they're called. Format, rotate a brick. Tilt, tilts a brick. I'll explain that stuff later. Set model front, I don't actually know. Don't actually, I'll show you guys that stuff later. Tools, these are already really advanced, but I'll just show you all of them. Settings, you don't want to touch a lot of this tool stuff. Window changes what window you're looking at. Help we'll go to About Roblox, Online Help, or Object Browser. I will probably end up going over those later, but not right now. This is a lot of the same stuff we saw up here. New place, open, save, cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, group. I'll go over that. A lot of this I'll have to go over as we use it. Group, ungroup, rotate, or tilt, move up, move down, more options, play or run. Go over that a long time from now. Pause, reset, not reset your character, it's different. Drag, which moves bricks, not terrain. You can't do anything. Move on axis. I'll show you guys that. Same with, and this is resize. This is lock. This is anchor. And it's a terrible, terrible image for anchor. I'll explain that later too. Fill with color. Change a brick's color with brick color, which is different than color 3. It's much more limited. Pick color. Go to a brick. Click on it. It moves that color to your fill color choices. Change material. I'll go over this with bricks, but it is a terrible look for it. Smooth out a smooth surface, glue surface, weld surface, connectors on surface, indents on surface, universals for surface, hinge on surface, motor on surface. A lot. Move parts, rotate parts, resize parts, 1 stud grid, 1/5 stud grid, grid off, manual joints, toolbox, which I'll open that. You can see this. You've probably used it before if you're more advanced. Pan left, pan right, tilt up, tilt down. I'll press these actually. Pan left, pan right, tilt up, which actually makes you look down. Tilt down, zoom in, zoom out. Look at object, there's no object yet. Zoom extents, makes you go out as far as you possibly can. And it is really annoying to do that. Really annoying. So I do not advise doing that ever. Terrain generator, we'll go over all of this later. Builder, remover, elevation adjuster, terrain brush. These are all built-in plugins when you download now. This is not a built-in plugin. It's a plugin I was working on, but I kind of scratched and won't really be working on for a while at least. This is a great plugin which I'll have in the description of a future video made by CrazyMan32, a great scripter on Roblox. And it's really helpful for C-Frame, which I will go over in a much later tutorial. So, that is it for the toolbar. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video. Please comment below to give me ideas to make this series better. And stay tuned for the next episode.